Cooking and grilling with Mr. Duce and Chef Frank Pesci. It's the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Frank over here getting in on the grill. We over here letting y'all just check out how we do this. It's going down. We got this chicken here. It's some ribs wrapped back there. Can we get a peep of them ribs, or is that boy got them. Oh yeah, they getting there. They getting there. They gotta cook a little bit, so we're gonna leave them alone. Now over here, I got a pick going over here that's already pre-made, thanks to Frank. So we finna test out DJ's boudin from Kroger, and also we gonna look at the smoked sausage. Then from there, I didn't get Billy's. I found some boudin was even better than Billy's. Yeah, y'all might know about Best Stop in Scott, Louisiana. This is straight Cajun smoked boudin, man. I'm talking about, nothing can beat it. And this here, you already see what this say. Beef patty stuffed with boudin, yes. This is some god dang hamburger boudin patties. Like, they say hamburger patties, but boudin and stuff in it, trust me. And we about to put these bars to work in a little bit. But like I say, Best Stop is where it's at. You can always order right here online. See? They even ship it to you. www.beststoppingscott.com. They've been doing this since 1986, so you know it must be dang good if this happening. But we're going to get back to you. I got to get everything together and prep up. Starting at 8 o'clock tonight, cooking and grilling with Mr. Duce and Chef Frank Pesci. We finna do that. Check us out on our YouTube pages. You check us out on our Facebooks. We put them on the Facebook, Twitter, and there's going to be a lot of other social media platforms we're going to go to before we start doing a podcast and stuff, which is going to be coming where we're going to be podcasting while we cooking. But holla at us.